To change door handle in Ford C-Max 2016, you must open one screw there. Now it's difficult to see, but most now I have a small problem because this cable is too long, it's not fit here inside, and to take it out is easy, just take out, but this one goes down. Something pushing, and it slides down. Now with one hand I cannot do, but some way it's very nice, slides down, and you can install very easy. Now one hand I cannot, but from inside you insert cable and it slides down, and after you can install handle. So if you have like this problem to put it back, this one must go down, bend down, and very easy.